Okay, boys and girls, this is a quick check. This is a test, so you need to do it on your own. You can get a privacy folder or you can sit down and just focus. We're going to work through this together. So first I want you to put your name on it. So pause this video, put your name on your paper. Alright, the directions say, draw and solve the doubles fact. Use the doubles fact to help you draw and solve the doubles plus 1 number sentence. So you're going to solve 2 plus 2 equals, that's your doubles fact. Draw it out to show me 2 and 2. And then your doubles plus 1, you're going to solve that and draw it out to show how your doubles helped you. Go ahead and pause and do that. Number 2, it says fill in the missing number sentence and solve to find the totals of all number sentences in each set. Remember we looked over this yesterday. You have 3 plus 0, 4 plus 0, 5 plus 0, blank, 7 plus 0. What do you think should go here? What's missing? 3 plus 1, blank, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1. What should go here? And 3 plus 2, 4 plus 2, blank. What do you think should go here? Pause it and fill in those sentences. For number 3, solve each number sentence. So look at each of them, solve them. Remember, use your counting on skills. Go ahead and pause and solve. Now at the bottom it says, using the number sentences above, circle each number sentence usually in the following code. Circle all partners of 10 blue. So if any of these numbers are partners of 10, you're going to circle them blue. Go ahead and do that right now. Pause. Circle all partners of 7 red. So if the two numbers partnered together make 7, you're going to circle them red. Go ahead and pause and do that now. Circle all doubles facts green. So if they're a double, circle them green. Pause and do that now. And then you're going to circle all doubles plus 1 facts yellow. So if they're a double, except they're plus 1 more, circle them yellow. Go ahead and pause and do that for all of these. Number 4, Ryan wants to share his stickers with his friend Sue. Ryan has 10 stickers to share. Sue picks 5 flower stickers and puts them on her picture. How many stickers are left for Ryan? Show me a number bond, a picture, number sentence, show me something here. And then answer the question. There are blank stickers left for Ryan. Ryan has 10 stickers to share. Sue picks 5 flower stickers and puts them on her picture. How many stickers are left for Ryan? Make sure you go back and listen to this again if you need to, and then you're going to make sure your name is on it and turn it into the bin. Thank you.